tignan, guys. Say hello. So, hello everyone. Today, we're going to cook Maja Blanca. Say Maja Blanca. Say Maja Blanca. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year, everybody. What are we going to cook? Maja Blanca. So, the first will be... Let's heat this. The pan. Jaden Faye is going to help me cook today for New Year. This is our ingredients. That's the condensed milk, corn, flour. What else, Jaden? We need... Oh no, sugar is finished. We need granulated sugar. Oh, we don't have sugar, Jerry. What are we going to do? No sugar. Uh-oh. It fell. Ano ba yan, Jaden Faye? Lagay mo dito para hindi mahulog. Yan. That's our ingredients. And we have the evaporated milk. And we have the coconut milk. What else? The sugar. I couldn't find the sugar. Let's see, where's the sugar? Okay. Here is the sugar. Now, let's put this here. First. Oh, no. Let's heat this pan first. Let's heat the pan. So, first thing to do, Jaden, is we are going to shake first. Shake, shake, shake. We shake, shake this. The coconut milk. Shake, 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 shake. And then we open. Like that. Open. Okay. So, once this is hot, we will put first the coconut milk. Oh, we forgot the corn. Where are you, corn? Here you are. There you go. So we have mais, sweet corn. Ating mais. Mais. Di ba yung mais, ano to? Filipino language, mais. Kung tama ako. So, this is for measuring 1 cup. 1 cup po ito. 1 cup. And, while we are heating up the pan, we are going to cook the food of the little one. So, we are going to make pasta. For Jaden Faye, pastina. We put water. We boil water for Jaden Faye so that she can eat while I'm cooking. Be good girl. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Say hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi to the vlog. It's your toy. Okay, Jerry. Now, it's warm, so we're going to put coconut.
Hey!
Let's measure coconut. One. So, 2 cups of coconut milk. And then, mais. Stir, 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 stir. Oh no. Stir lang natin until it boils. Stir lang siya, stir. Oh no! Lahat na itinapon ng ating partner sa pagluluto. So while we are cooking, let me put this. Oh no! Everything fell down. Don't throw them, Jane Faye. This sayote, the one I cooked last night for Jane Faye. Sayote. Okay, so the water is boiling for the pastina. Everything fell down na. You're done, Jane Faye. What did you do? So, yung pastina natin, this is the pastina of Jane Faye. Pastina! Italian pasta for babies. It's finished. So, let's try to put other pasta. Bless you. Bless you. Let's try this. We will combine it with the pastina because Baby Jaden's pastina is finished. So, let's see. Halo natin to. Konti lang. Maya na yan. Lahat na itinapon. Jaden Faye, Mommy's cooking. So, kumukulo na ang ating sweet corn with the coconut milk. Next will be the condensed milk. What are you doing, Jaden? What are you doing, Jaden Faye? Shh. Quiet, baby, quiet. Quiet, please. Keep quiet. We're cooking. Next will be sugar. So we have sugar. Pwedeng tansyahin mo lang yung sugar. Don't put a lot of sugar because it will be very, very sweet. Let's try to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then stir it again until it boils. Tama ba yung English ko? English po tayo para maintindihan ng iba. Parang may mga nanonood naman din tayong mga nag-English. Wala naman siguro. Jerry, please don't throw, baby. Oh, no. Leave them here, Jerry. Don't throw them away, baby. Don't throw. Ito ang ating tagatapon. So, after this will be 200 grams corn flour. So, 200 grams corn flour. We will dissolve this. Tama ba dissolve? Tutunawin natin to dito sa evap na to. Don't forget that your kulit naman ang ating kasama sa pagluluto. So, stir lang. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir. Stir lang natin. Wala akong tinapon. Can I have this, baby, please? Can I have, thank you. Okay. Oh, nag-ulit na siya, Faye. Not like the Jane. Oh, no. So, look what Mom is going to do. We will put here the evaporated milk. Let's put the evaporated milk. Don't touch Jayrin. No touch, baby, please. No touch. Then let's open this. I know. I want to help Mommy, but not for now. And then the whole 200 grams of corn flour. Tapos stir, 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 stir. Tunawin natin siya. Tunaw-tunaw dito. While kumukulo. Ang ganda ng English natin. Yan. Tunawin natin siya dito. Then, we will combine it there. So, there you go. Malapot na siya. Keep stirring it hanggang sa lumapot na siya. So, ayan na siya. Malapot na. And our baby is crying now. Look, pasta is almost ready. So, this is ready. Let's put more water into the Jaden's pasta because hindi dry na siya. So, this is ready. Now, it's time for... We're going to put it here. See this. I know, baby. Look at Mommy. Look what Mommy's doing, Hara. Yay! What's this? Look! How nice! How nice! Soon your food is ready, Jerry. That's still boiling. Wow! How nice! See that? This is Maja Blanca. Say Maja Blanca. How nice! Oh no! Look at that! We need to put it properly before it gets colder, because it will becomes more thick. No, baby. That's hot. Hot. Careful. Hot. That's very hot. Careful. Look, this is for you. So we have to spread it properly. Okay, so we have it ready. Now we are going to put the cheese. What are you playing, Jaylene? Okay, we are ready. Now we're eating. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jaylene. No? Okay, bye-bye.